As we move to a more sustainable future where electrification will be a big part of decarbonizing our world, the materials that we mine in BC are going to be critical towards moving to that decarbonized future. Another thing that the mining community is realizing is that moving forward, material intensity is a big part of being a more sustainable mining operation. Material intensity is we're looking at using less material to do the same amount of work. So if we can help a mine to extend a tire life or put a tire in service that may have previously been damaged, that means it's less material used at the mine. Okay, one new mining tire can be 8,000 pounds of steel and rubber. That steel and rubber needs to be harvested, processed, manufactured, and shipped to our mine sites. So when we can extend the life on those tires, that means all of that material and all that carbon and all that footprint that that has can be evaded. In fact, repairing a haul tire can reduce 450 liters of oil consumed or 18 tons of CO2 released. The savings in retreading a grader tire on a mine site is about 50 to 60 liters of oil and 4 tons of carbon emission. As we become aware of our impacts and the material that we use, we want to measure that material use and its impact as far as carbon and oil and material consumed. When we can measure it, we can then look to reduce that intensity. And that's where the MAPLE program helps them to calculate that value that they're getting out of making these decisions to repair or retread a tire. At some point, you're going to wear the rubber off of a tire. What we do here is we take that tire, we clean it up, remove any small injuries, put new rubber back on it, and mold in new tread patterns. We can retread them multiple times to extend their life at the mine site. What you're looking at here is a line of tires that are in our plant from British Columbia mines that have had injuries that now are repaired and going back into service. For British Columbians, it's important to know that these materials that we need in our iPhones, in our cars, in our computers, in our homes are sourced in a sustainable manner. When we know that the BC mines are making the right choices to reuse product, repair product, and reduce their material intensity, we can be confident that the materials that we need are being created in the most efficient manner possible.